So, part 3. Okay, so, kung you're given a function of 3 pi over 2. So, kanina, you remember the pizza thing. So, recap na lang. So, since 1 pi over 2 is 1 pizza, pi is 2 pizza, 3 pizza is 3 pi over 2, and 1 whole pizza is 2 pi. Yes. So from what you remember, 3 pi over 2 is here, right? So the coordinates will be 0, negative 1. Since, wait, I didn't explain this ata. Because the coordinates A, B, A is the X and B is the Y. So, gets mo? So, bale, 0 here, that's the distance of X, or the point on the X axis. So since it's here, it's going to be 0. And the negative 1, that's the distance on the point on the y-axis. And since it's here, that means it's negative 1. Get? So yeah. So kung pi over 2 naman, sorry, that's supposed to be positive. So pi over 2, since you know it's here, the coordinates will be 0, 1. And paano kung negative? Diba negative means you go in the clockwise direction. So instead of going like that, you follow the watch, diba? Yung watch mo, 12 o'clock, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it goes that direction, diba? So you follow the watch. So if it's negative 3 pi over 2, you go 3 slices of pizza clockwise. So this, you end up in this point. So that becomes, the coordinate will become 0, 1. Get? And if kung they give you this one, 25 pi over 2. What I do kasi, I turn it into a mixed fraction so that I can, parang it's easier because, example, 25 over 2 pi, that becomes 12 and 1/2 pi. And the 12 here, you remember kanina na if it's even, it ends already. It's the same as being in 2 pi, which means the coordinate will be here on 1, 0. So you'll be so 12 pi, you're done with that check na kasi you start here. So now all you have to do is all you have to deal with is the 1/2 pi. So when you start here, and since it's positive, you go counterclockwise, and 1/2 pi is the same as pi over 2. So you go here. So parang 1/2 pi is equivalent to 1/4 of the circle. 1 pi is half of the circle. And 1 and 1/2 pi is 3/4, and 2 pi, whole thing. So yeah. And then, if you're given naman negative 55 over 2 pi, so the same thing, I do it with mixed fraction. So it becomes negative 27 and 1/2 pi. So you look at the whole number first. So it's 27. So you start in the same thing when you start with pi, which is negative 1, 0, which is over here. And since it's negative, you go in the clockwise direction. So, diba, you start here na. So you're done with the 27. So all you have to do is negative 1/2 pi. So since you're here and you want to go in the clockwise direction, so you go clockwise direction. So from here, you go 1/2 pi. So you end up here, which gives you 0, 1. So yeah.